Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the Opodo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search button down below and then click on flights in the middle of the screen. Then you should enter your departure point and then set your destination. After that, you should set the departure date and the return date. Tap on continue down below, set the number of passengers and the class. Tap on done in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on search flights. So here in a few seconds you will be able to check out all of the available results. Here you can see them. If you want to, you can apply filters down below to narrow down your search, and tap on the relevant one that you find interesting to check out the prices and availability. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.